Even the best cough drops can't control the urge to cough because regular cough drops only work here in the throat, not here where coughs are regulated. This super cough drop does. Yes, now you can get real cough control power with this new super cough drop. New Vicks cough silencers. Powerful medicine locked in a drop. Vicks cough silencers have dextromethorphan, powerful cough-suppressing medicine that helps control coughs in a way regular cough drops can't. Cough silencers give you real cough control power. They not only calm the tickle, but also help control the urge to cough. Cough silencers from Vicks. Powerful cough-suppressing medicine locked in a drop. For coughs and colds, take the super cough drops. Vicks cough silencers. Now formulated in 2 flavors, regular and new cherry menthol.